Leonard token base. Start with missiles. Our goal is to get all three of these. So right about here, we want to get all three of these guys shocked. There we go. Now we shock him, and while that's flying, come on. Don't want that. I want you guys. Come on. You're being a pain in the butt to me. Clear out the middle. Okay, we'll take our aces up here. Over here come the anti-air. They will kill you. But up here, some of the things come in. So for a little bit, we're just going to fly around and kill whatever's up there. See, these guys are coming in. There's 6 of them. 2 come in, then 2 more come in, then 2 more come in. All right, we will start removing our aces so they don't die. Two come in, then 2 more, but we won't worry about them anymore. Now we just sit and wait. We need to let it wind down a little bit. Our goal is to get the troops to come in. There's one key person down here we got to kill. That's it. That's all we're going to do. The rest we're just going to leave and let them be fine. So basically we just got to let it go down. Let all the troops come in. It's hard to say exactly how long, because what you want to see is not on screen yet, and he won't come on screen till I send a devout through. When I send the devout through, he'll come on screen, and then we'll identify him. So we'll just give him a little bit of time. We'll give him 8 seconds, and we'll send a devout through. And then the troops will show up. We'll know which one we want to kill. All right, let's send one through. He's gone through a couple of times. He's a little bit damaged, but he doesn't ever get much damage. He's just coming through, and you can see the troops are coming in. Here's the guy we want right here. So we just send him up here, and then we'll retreat him. That guy right there is what we want to kill. He's the only one. So we'll let everybody come back. These guys here will try to shoot our controllers, so we'll get rid of them with our aces. So that's the next step. We're just going to get rid of a few aces, or get rid of those guys with our aces. So we'll just send in a couple. Right here. Get over here quickly. Okay, we got rid of those guys. These guys really don't matter because they only shoot air. But when they get back over here, we'll send another devout through, and he will pull everybody away. Then when he pulls them away, we're going to have a controller in, and we're going to kill that one guy. That's it. So, time for a devout. We're just going to send him through. He's pulling everybody away. All right. Disconnect from him. Send in 4 controllers. Only one we want to kill is right there. That's it. You're done. That's all there is to it. You do that, and you can get a Leonard token real quickly, and you get minor damage. Okay, that was it. Enjoy.